Hey guys, I'm gonna show you the difference between filming with SmartMike and without SmartMike. This is filming without mic. You will hear a lot of sound around me, like the wind from the fan. This is filming with SmartMike. My sound is very clear and there is no noise. I will show you how far to use this mic. This is a close up shot. This is a long shot. You still hear me, right? Yes, it's very good, isn't it? Previously, I create content without mic is of very bad quality and a lot of noise until I found this. It's very good quality and there is no noise. It's easy to connecting and it has over 6 hours of recording time. That makes me love this so much.